Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set focus on Facetune app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my home screen, and just select a photo. New, you can find the Facetune editing bar at the lower side of the screen, and here you can find the focus next to the touch up button. Tap that, and the application just analyzing the photo, and you can set the focus, and you can select the first, the second, the third, or the fourth option, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.